5 health benefits of honeydew. Honeydew is a type of melon that is known for its sweet and refreshing taste. It not only makes a delicious addition to your diet but also offers several health benefits. Here are 5 health benefits of honeydew. Hydration. Honeydew has a high water content, which makes it a great choice for staying hydrated. Adequate hydration is essential for maintaining proper bodily functions, including digestion, temperature regulation, and nutrient transport. Nutrient-rich. Honeydew is packed with essential vitamins and minerals. It is a good source of vitamin C, which supports the immune system and promotes healthy skin. It also contains potassium, which helps maintain proper heart function and regulates blood pressure. Additionally, honeydew provides smaller amounts of other nutrients such as vitamin K, vitamin B6, folate, and magnesium. Digestive health. The fiber content in honeydew helps promote healthy digestion. Adequate fiber intake supports regular bowel movements, prevents constipation, and supports overall gut health. Antioxidant properties. Honeydew contains antioxidants that help protect the body against damage caused by harmful molecules called free radicals. Antioxidants are known to reduce the risk of chronic diseases, such as heart disease and certain types of cancer. Weight management. Honeydew is relatively low in calories and fat, making it a great option for those looking to manage their weight. It is also a good source of dietary fiber, which can promote feelings of fullness and reduce overeating. Thanks for watching.